It's here. It's here. It's finally here. Woohoo! All the way from Russia, friends. My name is Josh McMurtrie, and I'm here in Encinitas, in Leucadia in San Diego, California. And I have something very special that I've been waiting for, like a little puppy dog on Christmas morning. I'm checking the tracking, looking out the window every time a delivery truck drives by. Now, it has come. Oh, wow. Comes with a nice case right on top, a backpack case. Oh my God. Wow. It's got some nice weight to it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is a Rav Vast drum made in Russia. And it's basically a cross between a hand pan or hang drum and a wooden tongue drum. It's kind of a hybrid in between the two. And, oh my God, it looks so beautiful. I chose the Pygmy scale, which is an African scale. It's very mysterious and meditative and peaceful and calming. Oh wow, I can't believe how good this thing looks already. Oh my gosh. Wow. I found Rav drums about a month ago, 6 weeks ago. Just kind of looking at hand drums and hand pans, and the first time I heard it, I was just like, sustain that this thing has, the tonal vibration, and that's actually why they're called vast drums, because of the vast sustain of the sound. Wow, so this here is the official number. I got number 5082. It's awesome. And this is so cool that this is happening on 11/11, closing out this wonderful year. Oh my God. Wow. Rav Vast, Pygmy. Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited to just sit and play this for the rest of the day now. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you can get one of your own someday. I'm so excited.